And try to admit people as I can. I thought I just admitted Rhonda. Admit Rhonda. Thank you. Once we're done with our rolls, you guys, we're going to move into our shoulder roll. We'll go 5 forward, 5 backward. Oh, God. Getting nice and warmed up for the day. Once we're done with our shoulder rolls, we'll move into our arm swings. We'll go back and forth. We'll go 10 total, so 5 on each side, you guys. And then we'll finish off with our back slaps. 10 in total, 5 on each side. Try and alternate the top hand. Open up those pecs, and then reach so you open up the back as well. Once we're done there, we're going to move into our TBCC. What a day it has started to be. It's already bright and sunny out. Rhonda, good morning, girl.
Good morning. Thank you.
Right, so we'll go ahead and get started, you guys, into our quad stretch. We'll move into this a little quick quad stretch. Knee hug. Open up that glute. Single leg RDL. Reverse lunge and reach. Big reach, get nice and low. Take the right hand, reach back. Take the left hand, reach back. Both hands on the ground. Left hand open up. Right hand open up. Hamstring stretch, you guys. Again, on this, if you need to put your knee on the ground, you can totally do that. Hamstring stretch there, just to get a little bit of a deeper stretch. And then we'll move into our downward dog. Into our cobra. Back into our downward dog. Walk the feet in. And sun salutation. Move into our other side, you guys. So let's go ahead and get started on that quad stretch. I'm just orienting the camera. Quad stretch. Into our knee hug. Into our single leg RDL. Reverse lunge and reach, get nice and low. Big reach. Take the left hand, reach back. Take the right hand, reach back. Plant both hands on the ground. Right hand open up. Left hand open up. Both hands on the ground. Hamstring stretching now. Again, if you need to go to your knee, you can definitely go to your knee. Downward dog, you guys, into our downward dog. Cobra. Remember, display that chest. Display the chest. Open up the lower back. Back into our downward dog. Walk the hands in. And exhale as you sensate. Okay, we'll go 5 on each side. Quick lateral lunges. Again, feet are staying right in place. 5 on each side. And then we'll go ahead and get going into the left, you guys. Nice and low. Try and open up that hip, open up that groin. Ooh. Beautiful. All right, so we're going to try and ditch the whiteboard. I'm going to try and show you guys. Okay. Never mind. That's not going to work. Okay. So I have to go behind the scenes. I was going to try and do what Craig does in the afternoons and show you guys via PowerPoint, but that's not right now. So I'm going to save that for Saturday. Make sure you guys hop on Saturday and make sure we're going to stick with this for today. So our first block is the complete upper body block. Well, lower body at the same time. We're going to move into our Saigon goblet squat. So a Saigon goblet squat, you guys, feet on a regular squat, feet are regular stance. On a Saigon goblet squat, your feet are not touching, but relatively close. Literally like 2 or 3 inches apart from each other. So you're going to be in a very close stance. It's going to be a lot harder to get down into the whole squat. It's working on our ankle mobility as well as our hip mobility. So if you can, try and weight it. If it's not working out, don't wait. It's completely okay. We got 10 reps there. And from there, we're going to move into an up down. Now a burpee, your chest touches the ground, you jump up, and you're back down to the ground. That's a burpee. An up down is your hands touch the ground, come back up. Hands touch the ground, come back up. Just to display this real quick. Up down. A burpee, jump down, and jump up. 2 completely different things. So for the up down, all you're doing, get into push-up position and then come back up. Push-up position, come back up. So we'll go 10 Saigon goblet squats, and we'll pair that with 10 up downs. We have 3 rounds here. Think of it as a quad burner, but also a little bit of a warm-up for what we have later today too. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get started with that. Move into our first set of our Saigon goblet squats. If you want to weight this, you definitely can, but make sure we're getting nice and low into our stance. We do have a 1-second pause at the bottom. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on these bad boys. Orient the camera. Ready. Feet are relatively close together. Not regular stance. Close together. And down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down.
Narrow your stance, Carol. Narrow your stance.
Down. Up.
As narrow as possible. It's supposed to be pretty hard to get to the bottom here.
Down. Up. Down. Up. One more. Down. Up. And good, you guys. Once we're done there, go ahead and crank out 10 of those up downs. And chest does not touch the ground. You're not jumping. Simply spread out and back down. Spread out and back down.
Get down, stand up. Get down, stand up. Get down, stand up. There you go. Solid.
Those should go by a lot faster than a regular burpee.
I'm doing it wrong.
Bringing.
I need to see it again.
What was that, Carol?
Down and up.
Yeah.
So I don't have it right.
So you're good. So up, down, spring, and come back up.
Okay, so the legs move out.
Come back up.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll go a 30-second stopwatch there again, you guys. Get through this a little bit faster. We got 2 more rounds, and then we're going to move into our upper body block. And then the surprise, or a little suffering there today. A little bit, actually. Again, on that Saigon goblet squat, making sure your feet are really close together. I'm usually here.
On you.
My regular stance is here. Feet for the squat today are relatively close. Okay, ready? Round 2. Ready, set, and go. Remember, try and give me a pause at the bottom. Really emphasize opening up those hips and display that chest. It's going to be hard to go from here to here, but really emphasize trying to display that chest so it opens up.
You are powerful.
It allows some deeper mobility. And really focus on that pause so it forces the hips open at the same time. 10 reps, and then go ahead and get started on that up, down. Again, spread out, and then come back.
Sprawl like the mighty bear. Is that how that works? I don't know if that's how that works.
And then we'll take a quick 30-second breather once everyone is done suffering. Woo!
Nope.
Okay, 30 seconds, you guys. We got one more round here, and then we're going to move into our second block. On our second block, just giving you guys a little heads up. If you have something that you can elevate your feet on, that'd be great, just so you guys can have a little time to grab it or think about it and then grab it. We're going to be doing decline push-ups where your feet are on a box. Your feet are going to be higher than your hands. That's going to put more stress on your shoulders. It's going to be a little harder. We're going to be doing that with a shoulder touch. All right, 4 seconds. Last set of these bad boys. Last set. Remember, try and give me a pause at the bottom. 10 reps, and let's crank out. Nice and low. Remember, display that chest. Give me a pause at the bottom. Open up those hips. Oh, and then once you're done, go ahead and crank out 10 of those lovely, lovely up downs. All right, you guys, we'll take a solid minute once everyone's done. A solid minute. So what I usually use for my decline is I snagged a box from Oak Ridge. I won't tell anyone, even though this is going out to the whole House of Pain community. That's about a 12-inch box. I'm going to put my feet on top of that, and that's how I perform a decline push-up. My feet are going to be higher than my hands. Feet are higher than the hands. Push up, shoulder touch, shoulder touch. Push up, shoulder touch, shoulder touch. So we're not going to be going crazy reps with this one. We have a total of 6 reps here. So 6 push-ups. So push up, shoulder touch, shoulder touch. Push up, shoulder touch, shoulder touch. 6 reps, and then we'll pair that with what we call a swimmer. We've done these before. I think we did this like the second time we did online workouts. Just so you guys can see real quick, I'm going to be laying on the ground. You're going to be laying on the ground for this one, so make sure you guys have enough room. Make sure you guys are oscillating or resetting your hands every single time. I'll show you guys real quick. So hands are out by your side. One hand goes for your butt, other hand goes for your head. Come back to the middle. One hand goes for your butt, one hand goes for your head. Come back to the middle. It's working on internal and external rotation at the shoulder, especially for someone like me who has lovely, lovely shoulders. It works wonders on opening that up and allowing for more mobility and getting all the kinks out. Okay.
Wait.
So once you guys have your stations set up, Kyle, do you want to take them through this one or?
I got it.
I'm sorry?
I got it.
Gotcha. Kyle's got his bench. Well, so remember, you guys, we got 6 reps here. I'm loving the purple box, Carol. That looks like it's going to solid. So 6 push-ups. Go ahead and get started whenever you guys are ready. If you guys, next time, when you guys are done with your set, you guys could orient the camera down a little bit more so we can see it. Carol, you're looking solid, girl.
Yeah.
You're golden, girl. The hard part about this one is not the push-up. You guys were going to think it was the push-up. It's going to be the shoulder touch, okay? Make sure you try not to oscillate or move at the hips too much. That's going to be the hard part right there. I just realized I was really close up to the camera. I was like, back away. And once you're done there, go ahead and crank out 5 swimmers. So 5 going each way. Hand goes right behind your head. Hand goes right behind your back. Come back to the middle. And then go the other way. A lot of people try and like to cheat it and go like a little try and oscillate, reset. Oscillate, reset. If you do these right, it will get a little uncomfortable because of how much stress you're putting on the shoulder on internal and external rotation. Okay. Especially for someone like me with lovely, lovely shoulders. Once we're done here, 30 seconds of rest, and then we'll move into that second block. Doing pretty solid on time, you guys, too, so we're golden. We are golden. Rhonda, you still alive, girl? We haven't seen you in a minute.
Yeah, I'm here.
All right, there she is. Okay, just making sure. I was like, did we lose her? I was getting a little concerned. You're good, girl. You're good. All right, you guys. We'll go in about 20 seconds. Remember, keep the water close. Keep the water close. A little towel, too, if you're starting to sweat like I am. It's not even 7 o'clock, and I've already started to sweat buckets. Okay, ready to go? Round 2. Remember, 6 push-ups. But every single time we do a push-up, give me a shoulder touch on each side. Ready? And hit it. Let's roll. Focus on those hips, especially on that shoulder touch. Looking solid, Carol. You're killing it, woman. Looking good. And then once we're done there, give yourself a little room on the floor. Oscillating at the shoulder, internal, externally rotate at the shoulder girdle to help open up those pecs in that rear delt in the back. 5 on each side there, you guys. 5 on each side there. Carol's feeling the burn. She's doing downward dog again, or cat-cow. Let's go. Rhonda's got the towel out. She's like, oh, God, here we go. You're going to need that a lot more in a little bit, honey. Don't worry. 30 seconds, you guys. 30 seconds. We got one more round here, unless I'm really out of it, and we already did 3 rounds. We got one more round here, and we'll move into our huff and puff stations. You guys are going to need to keep those boxes or whatever you're elevating your feet on. You're going to need those for the last block because we're doing some hip thrusts, but elevated hip thrusts. Okay, guys, last round, last set. Give me those push-ups in 3, 2, 1. Let's crank them out. Let's roll. Remember, push up, shoulder touch, push up, shoulder touch, shoulder touch. A lot easier said than done. Crank them out. Focus on those hips. No salsa dancing. And then once you're done there, go ahead and pop on the ground. Remember, feet are flat. A lot of people like to raise their feet on this. Feet are flat on the ground. Rotating at the shoulder girdle. Reset the hands every single time. Don't go cheating on me, please. Now, when you guys get your hands behind your back, don't relax there. Try and keep that chest open So it forces the shoulders to work a lot harder on opening those shoulders up. Or forces the back, I'm sorry. Going 5 on each side, and we'll take a solid minute, you guys. You guys can rest for a solid minute while I show you guys what we have left. All right, so on this last block, I'm also taking a little trick out of Craig's book. He likes to do what we call Tabata. Tabata is simply a 20-second on, 20-second on, 10-second off interval training. It makes you huff and puff a lot quicker, actually. So we're going to utilize that today. We're going to try it out with some butt and some core workout. So our first two, we're going to go a foot elevated. You guys can't see that. A foot elevated single leg hip thrust. We're going to do one leg for 20 seconds. Then we'll rest for 10 seconds. Then we'll do the other leg for 20 seconds. We'll rest for 10 seconds. And then we're going to do a plank to push up for 20 seconds and then rest. So I'll show you guys everything right now. You guys are like, what the heck is he talking about? Okay, so I'll orient the camera down right here. There's my box. I'm going to use that for my hip thrusts right now. So I'm doing hip thrusts on one leg for 20 seconds. I'll rest for 10, and I'll do the other leg for 20 seconds, rest for 10, and then I'll do my plank to push up. I'll show you guys that right now. So foot is on the bench. I'm doing this leg. So I'm going to do that leg for 20 seconds. I'll rest, and then I'll do this leg for 20 seconds, and then I'll rest. And then when we go plank to push up, so you guys can start in either position, push up, plank, push up, plank, push up, plank, push up. We're going back and forth. It's working on two things, the shoulder girdle, making sure we don't lose anything in our shoulders, and then our hip mobility at the same time too. We'll be doing that for a solid 20 seconds as well, and then we'll rest, okay? We have 3 total rounds here, you guys. This will take us to the end. Each round takes a solid minute and a half, and we're not gonna rest after each round. We're just gonna go straight into that next round, okay? So Kyle, can you give us a timer? Make sure we're going 20 seconds on, and then resting for 10 seconds.
Yes, sir.
All right, we are on Coach Kyle, you guys. We are on Coach Kyle. Let's start.
Right.
Give us a countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. You are on 20 on the one leg. Keep it going. There we go.
Remember, you guys, doing one leg. Right now, we're not switching. Doing all one leg. You should be
10 seconds.
As you drive through your heel. Let us know when 20 seconds are done.
And break.
Okay, go ahead and rest. We're going to do the other leg now for 20 seconds.
5 seconds. Wait up. We're not going yet. Now you're going. Give it going. Other leg. Come on. Five. And time. 10 seconds. Get ready for them planks.
We're going to move into that plank to push up, you guys.
3,
Seconds.
2, 1. Plank to push up. Climbing and crawling. Come on now. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. Time. Get back and ready.
We're going to go back into that single leg hip thrust again now.
5 seconds.
One round.
3,
We got 2
2,
more.
1. Get that foot up. Let's go. It's quick. Three, 2, 1. Rest.
This is going to suck.
It's a good idea.
I knew it was going to suck.
And other leg. Here we go. Ten seconds. Three, two, one. Beep. Roll over, get ready.
More than halfway done, if that makes you guys feel any better.
All right, let's pick it up. Come on. High lows. Five seconds. Time.
Last one, you guys. Last one. You ready to go for that hip thrust?
All right, let's take it up. Come on. Last time. Get it up, get it up, get it up. And break.
Last leg. Last leg.
5, 3, 2, 1. Leg up. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1. Break. Roll over. Get ready.
Last part. Last part. We're almost done. Just 20 seconds of work.
This is it. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. And time.
Kyle, you dragged that out.
I did a little bit, yeah.
I was like, we're done. I'm like, oh, God, no, we're not.
I gave you an extra 3.
Oh, God.
4.
Okay.
We're not done. We're going to do our breathing exercises right now. I wanted to save a little time for that one. So go ahead and grab a quick sip. Let your heart rate calm down a little bit. We're doing 2 sets, you guys. 2 standing, and then we'll do 2 laying on the ground. Remember, try and find a quiet place to do this so that you can really focus on your mental health right now, as well as your physical health with your breathing as well, okay? Again, let your heart rate calm down a little bit. I'm still huffing and puffing a little bit. If you guys aren't huffing and puffing, then you guys need to pick up that pace. So just real quick on that Tabata, personally speaking, on those hip thrusts, I was able to get 14, if not 15 reps on each leg. I was trying to beat 15. I was trying to get 16. So that's the whole goal of the Tabata workout, trying to get more reps in that 20-second time frame. That's where you make it hard at the same time, as well as that 10-second rest. You're like, that was really fast. Okay, so we'll try that out a lot more, see how you guys like it. We'll talk about that in a minute. But yeah, go ahead and let's go ahead and get started on this. So go ahead and check it out. Remember, breathing in deep through the lungs. We're going to hold it there for 5 seconds and then breathe out through that nose, or out through that mouth, I'm sorry. Okay, ready? Deep breath in. Hold it. And breathe out. Breathe in. Hold it. And breathe out. Breathe in through the nose. Hold it. And breathe out. 2 more, you guys. Breathe in. And breathe out. Last one, deep breath in. And breathe out. Go ahead and shake it off a little bit. We got one more standing, and then we'll get 2 sets done laying on the ground. Oh. Okay, let's go ahead and get that second rep or that second set done. Ready, deep breath in. And breathe out. 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 Last one, you guys. Deep breath in. And breathe out. Okay, go ahead and find a spot on the ground. Make sure you guys have enough room so you don't hit anything. You don't get trampled over. You don't get trampled over by a gym that may be lying around. Personally speaking, I like to spread my arms. I like to spread my legs out, so I'm literally just feeling like I'm dead. Again, same count, you guys. Breathe in through your nose, hold for 5 seconds, breathe out through your mouth. Ready? Deep breath in. Breathe out. 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 Last one. Deep breath in. Breathe out. We'll go one more set, you guys. One more set. Get a little oxygen to your head, and then we'll take some feedback. I actually want some feedback from you guys. See how everything went, how you guys liked everything. We'll get this last set, and then we'll chit chat for a solid 2 minutes. Okay. Okay. Ready? Go ahead and get situated on the ground. Ready? And deep breath in. And breathe out. Deep breath in. And breathe out. Deep breath in. And breathe out. 2 more. Deep breath in. And breathe out. Last one. Deep breath in. And breathe out. All right. Go ahead and wake yourself up. I know sometimes when I do those with the kids over at the school, they actually fall asleep. I'm like, whoa. So go ahead and gradually slap yourself awake, wake yourself up real quick. So we got about a solid 3 minutes.
1 minute.
I just want to take your feedback real quick, you guys. How'd you guys like? Honestly speaking, I don't know how the Tabata workout was going to work out. How'd you guys like that? We can definitely do that with different exercises. I'm going to try and experiment with different exercises as well.
Just a style.
Make it harder. But just real quick, how'd you guys like it?
It got me huffing and puffing.
For sure. That was the whole goal of that, for sure. So that's a goal. That's an accomplishment.
Probably could have done maybe, can you do 3 exercises in a set?
Yeah, for sure. We can definitely do that.
Maybe do
Load it up.
the same amount of sets, but extend or have one more exercise in each set.
Okay, for sure. Yeah, we can definitely try that out. My main concern, first time right now, I was like, I want to make sure we can actually get to the whole workout. So that's why I was kind of conservative. We can definitely branch out from here. Trust me, we're definitely going to branch. I'll definitely add an exercise on that next day, Carol.
It was
Rhonda,
good.
we can't hear you, girl. Nicola, what's up?
It was good.
Okay, perfect. We're going to see if we can hear Rhonda, if we can get any feedback from Rhonda. But we'll definitely try this out again on Saturday. If you guys are with us on Saturday, we're going to try and get a little more experimental. Hopefully I can get the first thing that I was wanting to show you guys up and running. Instead of using the whiteboard, I'm going to try and use PowerPoint so I can display things to you guys and you guys aren't squinting in your computers being like, what does that say? So like that, it works out a little easier on your guys' end. Rhonda, can we hear you? No, we cannot hear you.
You gotta unmute.
She is unmuted. I don't think she's
She's not muted. Yeah.
connected.
It's not muted.
There it is.
There
We can
you
hear
are.
you. That was it right there.
Oh,
Are you?
There it is.
oh, yeah, no, I like that.
Yeah.
We don't do a lot of. We're not do a lot of
It's not working out, Rhonda. Try and
How
talk.
close are you to
It's
your
not.
Wi-Fi area?
Okay.
There we go, right there.
Is that better?
That's golden right there.
I don't know why. Okay, so I like this.
Are you doing
Yeah,
it?
it's dead.
It only wants to pick you up for like a second.
Yeah,
Are you doing it from your phone, Rhonda?
No, from my computer.
Oh.
How far
Yeah.
away are you from your Wi-Fi?
I'm like sitting, oh no, I'm outside. I'm outside. Let me
Yeah, it only picked up for like, it's like 3 or 4 seconds, Rhonda.
see. I'll go inside.
But yeah, we'll definitely try these kinds of things out. I would like to keep doing different exercises like that. It keeps you guys on your toes and you're like, what is he doing now? You might see a familiar exercise here and there, but it's never going to be the same. So always be ready to go for different things, you guys. Ronnie, you got 30 seconds. Let's try this out,
Is that
girl.
better? Can you
That
hear me
we'll
now?
see.
Can you hear me now?
We can for now.
Okay. I like to keep going. Oh my
And it's dead.
God.
That might have to be a phone call later.
Yeah, I'll call you in a little bit, Ron, to see if we
Saturday.
can get a little feedback from there. Yeah.
Sorry.
I hope you guys have a phenomenal day. It's going to be a warm one again today.
What time Saturday?
I'm sorry? Oh, same time Saturdays. We're going 7 o'clock Saturday, right before the Zoom call, you guys.
7 o'clock. Okay.
Hopefully you guys can hop on. Enjoy the day. Hopefully you guys, I really want you guys to go outside and walk. I know Nicola's outside the whole day, so really try and get a walk or two into today. You guys enjoy the beautiful day and stay safe.
It is absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you.
We'll see you guys
Bye.
soon.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Beautiful day, y'all.
Bye.